can we remove bankruptcies? The short answer is yes, we can. Of course, every situation is different. The courts is where a bankruptcy is filed with, and the court does not actually report this information to the bureaus. It's public record, but it's not reported to the bureaus just automatically. The bureaus have to go out and seek that information. It's usually a company called LexisNexis or a couple of other companies that are out there that'll sell this information to the credit bureaus and or buy this information. And then what happens is it just has the court information, so it doesn't have the actual furnisher that you owe the debt to. By law, they're supposed to report all that. So then what happens is the information is not accurate that's reported because, again, that Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1970 that you hear me talk about all the time comes into play. And if it's not reported right, then you have the right for it not to be reported at all.